Let's welcome in our NFL Media Insider, Ian Rapoport. He joins us now from league headquarters here on live coverage of this Tom Brady suspension being upheld. 4 games, Ian. Reading this decision here, you just heard it. This isn't the commissioner saying that you didn't give us information. This is the commissioner saying you destroyed information.
That's exactly right. And there has always been a big part of this that said Tom Brady was suspended, probably more than he otherwise might have been, because he did not cooperate with the NFL's investigation. And the same could be said with the Patriots. Remember, Ted Wells wanted to talk to a Patriots employee again, was not allowed to. So the punishments they got were worsened because they didn't cooperate. And with Tom Brady, what was originally thought was that he simply did not show Ted Wells his cell phone, even though Ted Wells had said, "I'll protect you, I'll make sure that the contents of the phone are private," all of those things Tom Brady would not show him. It just was not clear why Tom Brady would not show him the phone. And now this disclosure from Roger Goodell and the official ruling to uphold the 4-game suspension, that Tom Brady actually destroyed the phone, destroyed evidence, potential evidence that might have, if he had shown the NFL, gone a long way in reducing the suspension. This certainly does explain one strong reason why Roger Goodell upheld the 4-game ruling. And, just talking to sources involved in this, there had been discussions between the NFL and the NFLPA about a potential settlement. What Tom Brady wanted was simply to pay a fine, would not accept anything regarding missing any games. And for the NFL, what they wanted was some sort of admission from Brady, some show of contrition that these acts that he is accused of and that Ted Wells said he was more than generally aware of, that he on some level did it. Of course, the two sides could not agree to anything, and now Roger Goodell issues his ruling. Tom Brady still suspended for 4 games following this latest ruling.
All right, Ian, what's next? Is he taking him to court?
Yes. Tom Brady and the NFLPA are expected to take the NFL to federal court to try to make several things happen. First of all, they will seek an injunction on this suspension to try to keep Tom Brady on the field. And then there are 2 options. They could try to fast-track the federal court case, try to get it resolved as quickly as possible, and maybe get Tom Brady on the field if the NFLPA and if Tom Brady's lawyers can actually win, get him on the field early in the season. Or they could take the opposite approach and really slow play things and try to make sure that it takes as long as possible in federal court to get Brady through the season and even through the postseason. Because the one thing that has been scary from Tom Brady's side through all of this regarding a potential fight in federal court is that what if Brady loses and the ruling comes in December? What if it comes in January and Brady has to miss 4 games and those games are the playoffs? So there are some legal maneuvers they can try to do if they get an injunction to keep Brady on the field in 2015. Make no mistake, that is going to be the focus from Tom Brady's legal team, at least in the initial moves they're trying to make now.
All right, so likely heading to court, which is where we thought we were going regardless. And now we know that the commissioner has upheld a 4-game suspension. Thank you, Ian Rapoport here, our NFL Media Insider, with the latest on Tom Brady.